The rock python. Yeah.
How did you get it?
How did I get it? We saw it here at the back, but it went into the cables. So what I did was I took the back of the snake, then you just rub on the top, then it relaxes, then you can get it back out. So what that snake does, it's you call it a constrictor. It's non-venomous, no venom at all. So it takes its teeth, it's hooked backwards. So the teeth is hooked backwards. So if it catches something, the thing can't escape because it's hooked backwards. So only thing way the animal can go back is into its mouth to go to release. So then it coils the snake and the creature, donkey, the creature, and then it tightens with every breath it lets out. It tightens. So basically, it suffocates to death, and then it swallows it head first, and it swallows it whole. The snakes can get up to maybe 7 meters.
7 meters.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, basically as thick as your leg.